Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot without the power button and volume button on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to take screenshot without button, we need to activate a feature on our setting. So first of all, you need to go to your settings and you're going to go to the advanced features. You can scroll down until you find the advanced features. Okay, and you can go to the motions and gestures, and here you need to activate this feature, palm swipe to capture. Click on this toggle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, you don't need to use your button to take screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You just need to swipe at the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Okay, and the second method you can try is activating your assistant menu on a Samsung Galaxy phone. This is how the assistant menu looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can get this assistant menu on a Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go back to your setting, and then you can go to the accessibility setting. Right, you can scroll down and go to the accessibility setting and choose the interaction and dexterity. Okay, and here you'll be able to activate your assistant menu. Okay, and after the assistant menu has been activated, we can use the assistant menu to take screenshot on our Samsung Galaxy phone. You can tap on this assistant menu and then you can select the screenshots like this, and the screenshot will be taken automatically, so you don't need to use the power button and the volume button to take screenshot. Wait, I'm going to practice it one more time. Tap on the assistant menu and just click on the screenshots. Okay, now it's done. Alright, and the last method you can try is installing screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can just go to the Play Store and then search for the screen recorder. Okay. You can install a screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and here I have installed a screen recorder guys, and I will be able to use it to take screenshot with the screen recorder just like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to take screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone without power button and the volume button. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.